Hi, I'm Miller, the AI digital twin of Jesse Miller. Today we're demoing an AI email control tower that can be used to keep all of your data organized and automate updates to your system of record. The best part? It's built entirely in Google Cloud Platform, meaning if you're on Gmail, Google is still the only other party that you trust with your email data.
This is Jesse here. Imagine that I'm a supplier about to email several Millers with an invoice for some goods I just shipped them. You can see we have the purchase order number here, 005, along with other relevant details. I'm going to go ahead and drop this into an email right now and send it off to several Millers' central inbox for managing these things. Okay, now on the several Millers side, in NetSuite, we have a purchase order for this supplier. You can see the number is 5, so a slight discrepancy between the 005 they put on the invoice, and we'll see how this plays in a minute. Now on the several Millers side, we've also set up this test folder in Google Drive that you can imagine we use to save and organize various data. And now on the GCP side, you can see we've set up various functions to handle these incoming emails. So when the email arrives to this inbox, the Gmail API is going to pick it up, and it's going to trigger a process email function in Cloud Run. This function gathers the initial content, does some basic initial filtering, and then passes it to this AI-powered process invoice function. Here, we're extracting and analyzing the data from the email and invoice. And you can imagine that maybe we do some initial data organization first, saving things to specific Google folders, perhaps adding information from the invoice to a Google Sheet or Google Sheets that we want to update with this information. And next, we're going to try to match this invoice to its purchase order in NetSuite and receive and bill against that purchase order. And so we've equipped our agent with a SuiteQL query tool, and you can see it's searching in NetSuite now, trying to find the purchase order. And you can see that it starts by searching for purchase order 005, which is what was on the invoice, but the results it gets don't seem to match the invoice. So it says, hey, let me try searching again for just 5. And the results, it turns up, then seem to clearly match the invoice. So it goes ahead and processes the receipt and bill. And now it's sent a reply. And so let's go ahead now and refresh our Gmail, and we can see the reply that it sent here. And so it looks like it's done a pretty good job of extracting all the information from the invoice. And if we go ahead and refresh NetSuite here, you can see that this purchase order has been received and billed against. So all your data is nice and clean and organized, and your NetSuite is up to date.